Yesterday I sent you a message on our Discord community that this is a day for opportunity, not to be get nervous, because it's technicals. We watch technicals. When the market is red and everyone's scared, this is time to getting buy. But this short term was too small. I was not expecting that small. I think maybe it go one or couple of days. Here is the deal now. What we're doing now. So today, first we do a day trade on Oracle. Still trade of the month. We have two stocks. We pick up for open trading for everyone. YouTube, Discord, all the members, they can join free of cost, and we are trading Mstr like any stock in Bitcoin, but I'm just picking only Mstr, and you can join me. The link below on a YouTube, and you can join the Discord community, and then you can find the channel Trade of the Month on my on the side, on the left hand side, and you can find the Mstr and the oracles. So today we have oracles a day trade. If you are in a day trade community with me, so 6:30 a.m. in the morning, we put Oracle long 147, and it go all the way back to 151. So it's very well played, Oracle. I also did a MSTR, but didn't give to the community. MSTR, I do tradings, but if you also, we did some other trading as well, but mostly I did on Oracle as Oracle and MSTR. So what is next stock? BE. I want to talk about something about a BE. It's a very, this stock is moving a lot in a day. It's good for swing trades. I'm just speaking the stock that's good for swing trade, that's move 5 to 10, $20 in a day. So look, guys, stock moved from 154 to 134, 134 back to next day 154. So what is the next level for BE? It's a little harder when we go a daily chart, but when we look a monthly chart, things more clear. How I clear? I will show you a lot. Did you hear something? Here, it's very hard to find support and resistance. I can find, but it's little. If we go in a bigger time frame, let's go monthly chart. Now you can see easy. This daily chart a little more confusing here right now. But if I go monthly chart, so monthly chart will be show up as a very easy. Look, guys, here. This is the major support 132, 132. And next level of resistance 151 or 52 is exactly here. So we are right now is a 50-50 situations. So if we going above 155 tomorrow, we'll go long. Above 155, we will be long, and or we can short below short. So this is the very long entry 132. But if we right now we are in undecided, because the doji candle is undecision. So, but if we're doing a day trade, we can go long. I can make entries on my in the morning before we could do a day trade tomorrow. So I'll make a more precise entries for if we have a dip, like we have a dip 148, 147 in the morning. That will be good price to get in a BE and go all the way back to the 165 area. So if we go here in a daily chart, so we can see here the resistance over here 166. You guys see here the resistance here 160. I will show you one very quick. 166 will be the resistance here. And now go look on the monthly chart. This is our line here, right? You guys look now. All the wicks connecting again here, same. So it's easier to look when you look at a bigger time frame, but you can also see the same thing on a shorter time frame as well. Like this is our resistance, this is our support. But if then where is the patience come? So if someone when patience, hey, I'm not going to trade here in between here, I want to trade only here, that is called patience. And if we wait, and I eventually I feel like that's price coming back to retest here on this 122 area is possible, because price going back to 9 EMA, it never closed above 9 EMA. If it's closed above 9 EMA, then the trend will be changed. But still, as long as we below 9 EMA, there's more chances the price go back to test this 100-day moving average at 120 is possible. This is not only 100-day moving average. Look, guys, here. This is the support I'm looking for here. Here you go. One touch, two, three. Here is the resistance. Break above. Now it become a support, right? Support, breakup, resistance. Now become a support and come back to next. It didn't touch this time, but this most likely to touch this time is 120. So be careful on BE, not going long like a, not as a data is fine, but not for a swing trade right now. Swing trade entry is 120, 125 in my Discord community. I already gave it to you guys on my community. So if you want to find these stocks, you can go here on the left hand side. You can find software, quantum, and then we can find energy and oil stocks. Yes. So BE 130 and 140 14 is a long on my list. This is we waiting for it. Right now we are waiting for this price to get in, and 125, 130, 114 we can lower down our average. So this is one thing, and then we second one we have here today, Mstr. We are still bullish, still going on. Same, it never break the $70,000 resistance yet, but hopefully soon. I'm bullish on Bitcoin for short term. So next level resistance will be over here. That will be, I will be looking for 180, 189, but we still are waiting for the Bitcoin break above 70, 74,000 and close on a weekend. So because if you see price on a Bitcoin is hovering between 64 to 69. So 64, 60, as long as it's close above 63, $64,000, we are out of wood. But when if we close below, then it's a dangerous zone for us. But right now, still on micro level, I'm bullish on Bitcoin. And next stock I will show you in my list, AMD. So AMD is coming back from a 200 moving average, closing above 9 EMA, and most likely I can see the target will be 212 possible from here. So if you guys look here, it's like a small head and shoulder patterns here, and this will be your height, and it looks exactly same to go 1 2 12. So this is as long as we are close stay above 200, that 212 is likely possible. But if we close below $200, then we have to retest back 193. And RSI look guys, RSI is making a straight line here. Look here, RSI making higher high, but price is not making higher high. So it's called bullish divergence. When the price going like this way or flat, or and the RSI going upward, is a bullish divergence, and most likely we will have upward movement up to here. If we close above 212 to 13 by the weekend this week, then this will be a solid trade. But AMD, and I'm long on AMD. I'm on a, if we dip, it will be my buy opportunity. I'm buying AMDL. And if I dip to 200 moving average again, 193, this is the area I was expecting to buy a call. So my levels for AMD is 185 and 190. This is a good level to get in for long entry here, right there. So it's just a one green candle, doesn't mean the trend is changed. So we still under the 9 EMA, so we still is in a situation where we price might likely hit 186, 185. So I'm not making new positions until now. Day trade is fine. We can do day trade, that's fine. As long as we do trade and can get the money out at the end of the day, I'm happy with that. But I don't want to hold buy up here on a green candle. So I can buy above here 212. That's more make more sense to me because we're buying above this resistance zone. And yeah, so yeah, exactly over here. And as long as price close above 212, that's fine. And also Amazon, it has to close above 212 is a long entry above 212, and otherwise 202 is the uh, um, if you want to average down on Amazon. So these are the stocks I picking for myself. So I these are the stock on sector base. Crwv, I played a long call today. So Crwv, before the market close, I bought some here at the 74. So most likely we can get a rally up to $80. And this is 9 a.m. 82, $83 possible. And still we have MACD in a red monthly candle doji, not very good chart, but if you believe in data center story, then this will be the workout for us. And then we are here right now. So if you make something here, let's see, if we close these lines all together, one dip, two dip, three, or this here, as long as we close above 75. So what is this? It's like a roughly left shoulder, head, right shoulder. And if we play well, where we can go from here to here. Sorry guys, wow, my didn't work. Let me see. I get the trend line. Okay, so here you go. From here to here, move this line. This will be our target. 114 and 15. And that will be interesting. Top band of Bollinger Band on the daily chart. We see the weekly chart. Look guys here, where this line close, just at the top of Bollinger Band. So I'm expecting this move not on a daily basis. I'm moving 140 will not happen in a one day. It happened in a weeks. So in the weekly chart, my line exactly hit stop wherever the Bollinger Band is. It's not all uh, magic. It's all technicals. So my line because handmade line can be smaller, shorter, but the Bollinger Band is more accurate. So, but we have a second confirmation uh, with the pattern, with the pattern of the candlestick patterns, as well as our Bollinger Band and then technicals. So this is about Crwv, and I'm going long here. I want to go long APLD at 18, but the price didn't go there. But still, I'm waiting for to get 18 or $20 APLD. Let me see APLD chart here. If you bought already, I show you go long. Uh, Price went to about 25. We played short on and we sold at 22. We closed the short position and buying a long, but I don't want to go long here right now. Still, I want to see something close above 30 or it retest $22. I'm still expecting to go back to $22 for the APLD. If when I say APL, this is possible. Core will also dip lower, what I said earlier. So because they both are the same sector. So move the line here. So this is core weave chart for now. And I can see this price is like major support for core weave is $64, 64, 65. But resistance, maybe it come back to $82 and then come back to retest 64. This is possible. I'm not give you like this is choppy market. I'm not clear trend, honestly. Price 2 days go up and 3 days go down, 1 day go up, 1 day go down. So it's a choppy market. So this is we have to be very careful, and that's why we're buying on now. I'm looking the chart, 3 month chart, not even monthly chart. That's why I'm making a strategies. All the strategies are made on the basis of 3 month chart and monthly chart, not daily, no weekly, because you get a stronger support on the basis of monthly chart. But this is not take a picture and just start playing. These are my numbers. But if you are in my Discord community, please ask me this question before you get in any trade. I can give you my personal opinions, not financial advice. So don't go like all in one. I can show you my position size. What is nibbling? I'm just when I say nibbling, I show you some here. Not in this. Let me see. Software, robotic stocks. Yeah, like the ketos. And okay. And we on this at $9.25, I'm nibbling. It means I'm just buying a very small amount, like maybe 10 shares, maybe 1% of whatever you're buying. So start with the 1%. So this is first entry is nibbling. When I put nibbling, it means very, very small positions. And then down the road we can add. I can say this is a add message, adding or not adding. I can change my, because this is not a fixed number, but I can also advise on the basis of chart again, but this is like a rough data. So what we can go with you, and if you are in my Discord community, you can ask me questions and I can help you better in this way. So and you can also see all my day trades before the market open. We can put all the day trades here in a day trade channel before market open. Let me show you what was the day trade, how look like today. Uh, if you're in my, or my community, just use these numbers if you want to for education purpose. Tier, yes, day trade alerts. Here you go. Oxy, UNG, and then Mstr. Dip by 120, 130 spot. BE Orcl. This is we played. We didn't play all of these. We played only Orcl today, and it worked very well for us today. This is the entry we made it in the before the market open. So I focus on, if you want to join me, you can also, hey, I'm focusing on this stock at this trade. I'm going to also try to do my best, help you if I can during live trade sessions. So thanks for watching. Take care. God bless you. And if you want to know any other chart, any chart analysis, let me know. I can ticker symbol. I can help you with that. God bless you. Take care.